Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add ad blocker in the Firefox app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Firefox app. On the bottom right corner, tap on these three dots, the menu. Select the settings on the bottom. If you scroll down to the advanced part, here you will have add-ons. If you tap on it, you can select an ad blocker. Let's say this one, AdGuard ad blocker. If you tap on the plus one, then you can read about this ad blocker, and if you would like to add it, then on the bottom right corner tap on add, and it's downloading now and verifying add-on, and it has been added to Firefox. Tap on OK, got it. And that's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.